I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it, but Utbit maybe UT-bit has actually a quite nice little adapter here. As you can see, in the middle we got ourselves a 1/4 and a 3/8 thread hole. We also got a 1/4 what is this, hot shoe mount on the bottom with a 1/4 shoe screw on the top, two of them, and these are movable. So what you can do is you can mount this to like a tripod or something, and now you have two separate mounts that you can move around on the top of it. The piece is metal, feels very nice. These are plastic, but they're made very well, so I'm not worried about these things moving around. It also has these pieces of rubber which kind of keep it in place, and the suit serves a dual function. Whenever you do screw something on the thing, let's screw it in the actual screw hole instead of just the side. Let's see if I can get it. But I'll show you here. It actually serves a dual function in that once it's screwed down, it will act as like a little rubber piece that keeps it from moving around. So depending on where you decide to put it, it will not move. So I think if you're looking for a 8-inch flash bracket with two different camera mounts, this is definitely the way to go. It's well built, it's inexpensive, and you get two of them. So I totally recommend this. I use this now quite a bit for my camera stuff. I use this actually in my teleprompter to give me the ability to move around where I want the actual phone when I'm filming myself. So very nice, perfect, and inexpensive.